You know MS often gets in the way of a good night's sleep, right? I don't need to tell you that. You've probably experienced it. Tell me if this sounds familiar to you. The fan is set to high, but it's not a particularly hot night. The air conditioner temperature is set to as low as it can go, but you're still burning up. For many of us with MS, this overheating at night is a mysterious symptom. There are no studies that have been done that can help explain why it happens or if it is a true symptom. I know it's happened to me many times for many years. But I want to share with you how you can escape it, because I have. Hey, it's Steve. MS causes temperature dysregulation. It's difficult for the body to maintain a normal temperature. So at night, you can play around with different materials for sheets and blankets and pillowcases, but don't be surprised if those things don't really work. They don't strike at the heart of the overheating. So whatever bedding you prefer, it won't prevent MS. You're still gonna be hot. And it leaves you still burning up. I have to tell you though, it's imperative to master this to obtain the dreams of new myelin down the line. The phase of sleep where the most myelin formation takes place is during REM sleep. REM is the last phase, so the goal is to stay asleep for as long as possible. I have a new sleep routine that has been so shockingly effective. I want to share it with you. Maybe you're always hot, or maybe you're always cold during the day. Either way, it doesn't matter what your daytime body temperature is. At night, the body needs to be at a correct temperature to activate effective myelin restoration. You can call me crazy. I don't mind. I call myself crazy sometimes too, but this is working out for me, and given the fact that it is so imperative for us, I want to share it with you. You may or may not have watched my video about cold showers. I'll put a link up to it. If you've missed it, you might want to watch. In the video, I tell you all so much. I love my morning showers, cold showers. I mean, I like to get as cold as I can get. I mean, I don't live in a cold area. It sometimes around where I live, it sometimes dips down into the 20s in the winter months, but during the day, we almost always get up into the 60s. And that's in the dead of winter. So it's only hotter in the summer months. I've started practicing something new now. Right before I go to bed, I brush my teeth. Then right after, I take another 5-minute cold shower. As cold as I can get. My body has always had a hard time and struggled to controlling a temperature. So probably 10 years ago, I wouldn't have been able to handle the cold temperature with my spasticity and all the mobility problems I had. But now that I've overcome that, it's something I won't give up. Not only do I feel it, but there's even evidence that cooler temperatures can promote remyelination in a roundabout kind of way. Supporters of cold showers believe cold water therapy can improve your circulation, deepen sleep, spike your energy levels, and reduce inflammation. I hear a lot of people say that jumping in a cold shower is much more powerful than a big cup of coffee. I'll agree with that while I'm in the shower. But because the cold water is a rush to my system. But once I get out and dry off, I go straight to my bed. And lying under the sheets is something counterproductive, or the opposite of that. I feel so comfortable because I'm not cold anymore. Even better, the time it takes for me to fall asleep, it's like it's drastically shrunk. And I'll stay asleep. It's wonderful. My Mylan is loving it. It kind of goes against the common belief that warm showers help instead of cold. No. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, but what do you think? What does your nightly routine look like? Have I created a little interest for you? And maybe you want to try it out for yourself? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one,